Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to build a brand new custom hook for React, and that is use on click outside. So let me just name the file. And next thing is like I need to define the function itself. So I will just quickly go and write the function name and a basic starter syntax for it. All right, I need to export this. So when this will be done, I can use it in other components as well. Now, the first thing is like what will the parameters? So I need ref and handler. Why we need ref is like something where we are clicking, how we will know? The ref will help us to know, okay, this element is being clicked, and the handler is the handler, the operations that we are going to perform when we are clicking on it. Let me just define one use effect. The reason behind that is like I will be calling all the things there when our ref and handler instances. I'm going to define two event listener here, actually one event listener. So I'm going to subscribe to mouse down event, and also I will unsubscribe at the time of cleanup. So let me just first do the subscription part. I'm adding add event listener. I'll subscribe to mouse down. I will add an event handler. So let's call it handle click outside. I will define, but before that, let me just do the return statement of use effect. And there, what I can do is like I can unsubscribe the event listener. What I mean by unsubscribe is I will remove the event listener from here. Okay, so the last one is event listener that I'm going to select, and then I need to define this method itself, so I can do it inside the use effect only, since this will be required here only. So I am going to define one arrow function. I will be getting event, so I will just use that as well. So I need to verify whether this target exists in the ref. So first I will check whether ref exists or not. So I will check whether the current is there. If current is there, then I will check whether the current contains the target element or not. So if that contains, then I will perform the handler calling. So if all this satisfied, then I will call the handler. Okay, this is done here. I don't need to return anything from here since we are using the handler itself. We are using the callback. Now let's do one thing. Let's go back in the app component, and then what we can do is we can try to consume, we can try to use this hook and do awesome things. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is like I'll define one ref, and this ref will be something like I'll just have one state. What I'm going to do here is like I will just define one toggle. Assume like there is a toggle is drop down open and is drop down set is drop down open. So what it will do is like it will close true. I mean it will just do the true and false, and like I can use it to open and close the drop down. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I will just copy a couple of lines of code here so that I can save some time. So yeah, so this is like it's not so many things, like it has two things. The first one is button. As you can see, we have a button where I'm just toggling it, the drop down, and the second is my custom drop down that I am displaying when the is drop down is true. This is my content. Now I have assigned the ref to the div element. What I'm going to do here is like I'm getting one error here. Okay, so I will fix that. Before, what I'm going to do is like I will use my hook that I have just created. So I'll pass one method here, and what I'm going to do here is like I am going to set drop down open false. So when I click outside, what I need to do is like I need to close the drop down, right? So either I can click on the toggle button, or I can just do is like I can click outside and the drop down will be closed. All right, hope this is clear till now. So what we are going to do here is like okay, let's first import use ref. The reason is like it is throwing error. Now what we can do is like we can okay, so I forgot to add the ref here. So ref is the first parameter in our hooks. Now it looks working fine. Now we can see like it is disappearing on clicking outside.